We are 20 days out from Christmas, and that is crazy to think about. And I don't know about you, but holidays always bring a ton of stress, right? Like a ton of stress. And one of the stressors that come with the holiday season is paying for everything. And I always know that it is such a burden for so many people, right? Because you want to provide for your family, you want to give gifts to the people you love, but then you look at that bank account and you see that number go smaller and smaller. And then these day and age, right, with the recession and dollars not going as far, it's like, gosh, how do I do it all? Well, I'm going to give you my one quick tip on how you can get a little bit of extra money this holiday season, because it really is simple. Like if you need an extra $100, I believe the best way and the quickest way for you to do so is simply reselling. Okay. I've been reselling for years. It has always been the quickest way for me to make some extra cash. Now, if you have never resold before, here it is. The simple 2-second explanation of what reselling is. All you're doing is taking old junk, right? Like say I take this Xbox controller right here, right? Like an awesome, perfect Xbox controller. Let's say I'm not using it anymore. I throw it up on Facebook Marketplace and say, hey, used Xbox controller, $20, right? $20. Someone come buy it. Then someone just messaged me back on Facebook Marketplace, says, hey, I'll buy it for $20. They meet up with you, you exchange, you make $20 right then and there. Now, say you do that with a bunch of stuff that you have in your house, right? Like maybe you have used electronics that you're not using anymore that are still in really good condition that someone may want, right? Maybe you have a Google Home Mini that no one wants or you're not using that you can sell for like $15, right? Like this is the stuff you want to think about. Like that is just stuff collecting dust in your house maybe that you're not using that you might be able to resell. There was 1 month where I literally made $500 reselling, right? Like I sold an Apple TV I wasn't using anymore. I had a PS4 and some games I wasn't using. I got rid of that stuff. I got rid of a computer monitor and so much other stuff. And that allowed me to accumulate a bunch of extra cash right before I had a big move that was about to happen in my life. It was a few years ago. And reselling has continually been one of those things in my life. Whenever I just want some extra cash, whenever I want to like pad my bank account a little bit, I go straight to what can I sell? Now, if you are in a fortunate position where you have a little bit of extra cash, one of my other favorite things to do when it comes to reselling is hitting up thrift stores and seeing if you can find profitable items for cheap. This has been one of my favorite ways to find stuff. One of my best finds that I ever found was a 1999 Pokemon Monopoly for $3. For $3, I found this awesome set of Monopoly. It was perfect condition, had every single piece. Took it home, cleaned it up a little bit, took a picture of it, posted and sold within an hour, made $50 off of a purchase that I made for like $3, like super simple, super easy. And I was able to like earn money because of a purchase I just found at a thrift store. Friends, like if you need extra money this holiday season, like don't neglect the power of reselling. Don't neglect the power of selling stuff on Facebook Marketplace. Maybe the new year's coming and you have a goal, like I want to pay off some debt. Ask yourself the real question. What can you sell? Look around your house and like see if there's stuff that you don't need anymore that you can get rid of. Reselling is actually an incredibly powerful tool for you to make some extra cash this holiday season. So, hey, if I need $100 today, that's exactly what I would do. I would get on Facebook and I'd start reselling stuff. I would start doing it like a modern day garage sale because let's face it, we all have more junk than we probably need, especially if you live in America. Like it's just a fact of life. We just accumulate junk. Stop hoarding junk, get rid of it, sell some stuff, earn that extra money. Have a great day.